Good morning dear student. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is 19 and 20. The name of the lesson is 19 is water. So all of you open your book page number 27. Please open your book page number 26 and 27. Okay, so this is our lesson 19. So in this lesson we are going to learn how to save water. Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn how to save water. And here in picture we have clearly it is given how the water, okay, how the children are waste the water. So how do we avoid to waste the water? That is we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, so you may take a dish and two counters of different colors. Ask your friend to play with you. Throw your dish and move the counters. Follow the instruction given while playing. So here they are telling that you may take two colors, coins or card, anything else. So in that you may call your friend and play with it. So here they are given instruction how to play. So the first one, here we have a number wise picture and instruction. So the first picture, okay, this is the first picture. From here we have to start. So here one dad and two children, there are three are there. So they are washing the cars. So by washing cars we have to use bucket of water and mug, then we have to wash the water. Okay, we wash the car. So if we do like that, we can save the water. But they are using pipe to clean the car, to wash the car. So they are wasting the water. So here after that, here second one. You ask the person to use a bucket and a mug to clean his car to save water. Okay, so what we have to give suggestion to that person, instead of use the hose pipe, you can use a mug and bucket for cleaning the car. Okay, so after second one we have to go 7. Where is the seventh picture? It is in page number 27. See, here there is a leakage pipe. Okay, in tap the water is leakage. So the son, he called his father and he informed that dad, water is leakage. So call the plumber and repair it. So he is doing good. He is saving the water, because if the leakage tap, the water will waste. So he give suggestion to his father that call plumber to repair the tap. So after that seventh one, we have to go the third one. So here, see, she is running the tap and use the vegetables or fruits. So for using wash the vegetables and fruits, we can use the top of water. So as a children, you can give suggestion to your dad and mom, don't use much water and use less water. And fourth picture, it is given in a 27, page number 27. You asked your mother to wash vegetables in a pan of water, not under a running tap. So if we wash the pan of water, we can save the water. If it is running tap, the more water will be spoiled. And fifth one, fifth picture. Okay, so open the shower and the two children are taking bath. So instead of open shower, we can use a mug and bucket to take bath. So in this lesson, we are learning how to save the water. If somebody waste the water, how to control to waste the water. We have to give suggestion to the persons. So sixth one is, you do not care about water while bathing. So yes, if we enjoy to take bath, we are not bothered about how much water is going to waste, but we are not bothered about, we are enjoying to take bath. So here you like to enjoy shower instead of bathing with a bucket and mug. So instead of enjoying a shower bath, you can enjoy with a bucket of water and mug. And seventh one is that is a running tap. Again they are telling go back one. Okay, the first picture. So in the starting we are using hose pipe to clean the car. So we have to give suggestion to that person, don't use hose pipe to clean the water. Instead of that, use bucket and mug. So these are the how the people are waste the water. Then for that, how can we give suggestion? That is in the lesson. So see here, the girl is brushing in a running tap. So while brushing, we can use the running tap because all the dirties and germs will go after split our saliva. Okay, so we can use while brushing. Okay, you do not close the running tap while brushing your teeth. Okay, we do not close our running tap while brushing our teeth. And see here, your housemaid, she is cleaning the floor with the hose pipe. So that also we have to avoid. Don't use to clean the floor hose pipe. Instead of that, we can use mug and broom. Okay, so all the instruction and with suggestions, everything is given in your book. This is the lesson 9. So in this lesson, we are learning how to save water and how do we avoid to waste the water. That is we learn now lesson 19. So now in green game. Okay, this is lesson 20. Okay, so far we learned lesson 19. In that lesson we learn how to save water and how to we avoid waste the water. Okay, so in this lesson 20, it is very easy. Okay, you can do yourself. This is like a game, green game. So please open your page number 28, lesson 20. The name of the lesson is green game. So most people, both children and adults, enjoy games. Yes, either small children or elder person, they are enjoying the games. Games related to environmental education provide an innovative, educational and entertaining approach to making people sensitive to the environment and ultimately encouraging them to take actions. So while playing, our body becomes strong and we feel relaxed and we enjoy to play game, either indoor games or outdoor games. All the human beings like to play games, either small kids or children or elders. 4 children. So in your book there are 4 children. Their name is Richa, Mona, Jatin and Gurjit. So for them in your book itself they given points. Okay, adding points. If they are giving deducted points, we can deduct the points. So according to that, you read each person's how many marks they are given. Okay, so this is for your homework. You have to do yourself. It is very easy. Okay, you read all the students and how many points they are given to add the particular children. So here they have a cards and names, and here we have to do. Okay, so for example, Richa how many marks, and Mona how many, Jatin how many, and Gurjit how many. So you read all the points and how many marks in your book given. If it is deducted means you have to deduct. If it is adding, you have to add and you have to write the total. So lesson 20 is for your homework. You have to do it yourself. Okay, I hope you understood lesson 19 and 20. Have a good day. Thank you.